Hello students, greetings to one and all. In this video lecture we are going to continue with part 2 of the chapter The Story of Anne Frank, which has been penned down by Anne Frank herself. So as in the first part of the chapter we discussed that Anne Frank and her family was a resident of Germany, but due to this domination of Nazis who were completely intolerant towards Jews, they had to seek refuge in Holland. Okay, so after seeking refuge in Holland, when the country of Holland was occupied by the Nazis, so the family hid in the room in the office of Anne Frank's father. Okay, and after that they were kind of caught and they were taken to the camp where Annie died because of some bacterial infection known as typhus. Okay, so I'm going to continue with part 2. Since no one would understand a word of my story to Kitty if I were to plunge right in. Plunge means if I were to jump right in. If I were to jump right in, I'd better provide a brief sketch of my life much as I dislike doing. So over here Annie says that, if I straight away hop into the story, you won't be able to get what I'm trying to say, what I'm trying to do. So therefore let me first introduce myself. Provide a brief sketch means let me introduce myself. My father, the most adorable father I've ever seen, didn't marry my mother until he was 36 and she was 25. My sister, Margaret, was born in Frankfurt in Germany in 1926. I was born on 12th June 1929. All the dates are important. You need to cram all the dates up. All the dates are extremely important out here. So I lived in Frankfurt until I was 4. My father emigrated to Holland in 1933. Emigrated means to shift or to move to a foreign country. To leave one's country and to move to the foreign country. Okay, so her father moved to Holland in 1933. My mother, Edith Holland Frank, went with him to Holland. So my mother went with him to Holland. Annie's mother went with him to Holland in September, while Margaret and I were sent to Aachen to stay with our grandmother. Margaret went to Holland in December and I followed in February, when I was plunked down on the table as a birthday present for Margaret. So she says that all of us didn't go in to Holland all together. We went in sections. Like first my mom and dad went, then my younger sister, and then I went. Okay, and I was more of a birthday present for my younger sister. I started right away at the Montessori nursery school. I stayed there until I was 6. Now this was the personal life of Annie. Personal life. Okay, now we are talking about the school life of Annie. So she started schooling in Montessori nursery school. I stayed there until I was 6, at which time I started in the first forum, means class. In the 6th forum my teacher was Mrs. Kypris, the headmistress. At the end of the year, we were both in tears as we said a heartbreaking farewell. So she was much adored by her teacher, so therefore they had a really sad and heartbreaking farewell. Okay, moving on. In the summer of 1941, grandma fell ill and had to have an operation. So my birthday passed with little celebration. So in 1941 her grandma fell ill, and therefore because of so much hassles in the family, her birthday came up with a very small, her parents came up with a very small celebration on her birthday. So now grandma passed away in January 1942. No one knows how often I think of her and still love her. So she says, I still love my grandmother and I still think a lot of her. This birthday celebration in 1942 was intended to make up for the other. Now she said that my birthday celebration in 1942 was intended to make up for the other. Okay, was intended to make up for the other means we had a grand celebration to compensate for my birthday in 1941. Okay, so this was more of a compensation for my previous birthday, and grandma's candle lit along with the rest. The 4 of us are still doing well. And that brings me to the present date of 20th June 1942 and the solemn dedication of my diary. Solemn means serious dedication. Serious dedication of my diary. So my diary, it really carries some serious events and information about my life from this date, that is 20th June 1942. Okay, now this is the end of part 2. Part 3 will come up in the next video. Okay, till then watch part 1 and 2 very carefully, and we meet in the next video. Thank you.